Kellen here at Screen Innovations. Behind me I have a motorized screen, and I am going to be showing you how to get vertical wrinkles out of the viewing surface. It is caused by the material shifting on the weight bar, which can happen in shipping or whenever you're going to mount the screen up on its wall brackets, or later when the customer has it and somebody accidentally bumps the weight bar. So we've got the screen mounted. We're just going to plug in a data cable and a wall switch, or just get the screen to deploy. Now, as the screen is deploying, you can basically see there are vertical waves in that screen material. All that's happened is this weight bar has shifted, or the material has shifted and basically caused the material to bunch up. So step one, we're basically going to take a look at it and visually inspect the screen. The one thing I'm looking for is I'm looking for the gaps on the left and right side of the weight bar. I can see that there's a big gap. My tab tension string is pretty tight, and I can also see that the eye on my SI logo is not in line with the edge of this border. Okay, so that's basically telling me this material has shifted towards the center of the weight bar. Step two, I'm going to come to the side that I want to make an adjustment on. It's usually the side with the waves. I'm going to lift up on the weight bar just a little bit, and you'll actually feel the tension on the screen release. You'll actually feel the material kind of move towards the center. All I'm going to do now is I'm just going to give a little tug on this side, and you can already see that my waves have started to come out. I'm going to walk over to the second side, going to lift up on this side, give a nice little tug, and I'm just going to keep working back and forth until I get this out, okay? Now, if you have two people on site, this is way easier because you can just have one person over there, one person over here, and you guys are both just gonna lift up at the same time and just redistribute the material, okay? So as you can see now, I've got my eye perfectly lined up with the edge of this border. I got a nice gap on this side, and I've got a nice equal gap on this side. And as you can see, waves are gone in the material. There is one little extra tip here. On the back of this weight bar, you will notice that there is a hole, and inside of this hole there is a set screw that basically holds the material at a center point. If you ever get a really bad wrinkle there in the middle, you may have to loosen up that set screw on the back. It's just a little Allen screw, so if you have an Allen key set, you can easily loosen it up. And what that'll do is just allow you to address any issues in the middle.